Alright then, today we are looking at stopping your character's body from showing or poking through your character's clothes. Problem we all get, so let's tackle this one nice and quick. Let's get it done, let's go. Alright, so this is Alex, character from my upcoming game. Everyone say hello to Alex. Alex, say hello to everyone. Hello. Alex though has a problem. As you can see, he has a bad case of underarm itis showing through his t-shirt itis. So how can we clean this up? Well, there's a few ways. I'm going to show you a way to manually do it first. So with your t-shirt selected, let's go over to the first tab here. If we just have a look down, we can go to edit mesh and go to sculpt, and you have some couple of options here. This will push the mesh inwards, this will put it outwards, this will smooth it off. I'm not sure what this does, it just says show mesh brush. Not quite sure what that does, to be honest. So we're going to use this one to bring the vertices outwards, and we are just going to, excuse my awkward navigation, I bounce between different softwares and they all have different controls for the navigation, for the viewport, so hard to adjust. Right, so with this now we can just brush over nicely, and it just brings out the vertices, pulls them out a little bit. Brush over there, and voila. Where are we? Here we go. Job done. All hidden. A little bit wonky there, but I can get the smoothing tool, and we can try and smooth that out. So there you go, nice and easy. Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Now the downside to using this method is that, of course, in this pose it works, but when you get it into game and he's performing like animations, it may be different. You may then have poking through the shoulder or the back or something else. So the only way to annihilate all of that is to do what most games do, and you would have seen this maybe if you play GTA Online, when modders come into the server, or there might be a glitch where a t-shirt is invisible. You may have seen that in the past. There's videos on YouTube showing it. The reason for that is because the modder or the glitch or whatever has got rid of the t-shirt model, and the reason is obviously is torso is invisible, is because there is no torso. So the proper way to get rid of that, and the way they do it in professional games, is to actually delete the body underneath. Now you're not going to delete it in this project, so don't worry too much. It only deletes on export. So the way to do it is to, with your t-shirt selected or whatever clothes you're using, go to down to hide body mesh tool, and this just hides it, right? So you go to advanced, and then you can select the different body parts. See that it's disappearing on the screen. It's not deleting them, it's only hiding them. So we can do, and if you can control click, it'll bring it back. So click it to disappear, control click to bring it back. We can do it for the underarms there and the top of the arms, because it's just before the sleeve there, and we have to leave that in. So if I got rid of that part of the neck, you can just see it's disappeared under there, so we want to bring that back. So that's how much I can get rid of. Happy days. And then you just do the same for the jeans, or whatever, all your different clothes parts, maybe the head, your feet, navigation, what am I doing there, the shoes as well, and whatever. So you can do all of that, and it saves on in your game. It saves on processing power as well, by getting rid of these unwanted vertices, because they're never going to be shown to the player, so why have them? Now of course you can always come back into this file and change it, because like I said, you're not deleting them, you're only hiding them. So you can come back in and turn them back on, that's fine. If your character has to wear different kind of outfits and you need them back on for different outfits, you just come back here, change the outfit, change the body parts that are hidden for that outfit, and then export like that. But when you do export, they do get deleted from the FBX. So when you go to export, we're going to go to clothes character, and whatever you want to choose up there, choose that. And then got the textures also. Down the bottom here is delete hidden faces. So you want to select that when you export. So for that particular FBX export, those faces will be deleted from the mesh. And that is what you want to import then into Unreal Engine or whatever and use. And obviously, like I said, if your character changes outfits, you're gonna have to set it up for the next outfit and export it as a separate FBX for each outfit, which I know is tedious, but that's the way it's done, unfortunately. So that's how you do it, and you export it, and then when you use it in the game engine or whatever, you will never have body parts poking through t-shirts or clothes, because there isn't any body parts under there to poke through. So hope that makes sense. That is how you do that. Nice short video, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Say goodbye, Alex. Bye bye. And I'll see you in the next one. I have been me, you have been you, and we will see each other soon, I'm sure. Ciao, blau.